Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we were going to present question of problem-based task, Introduction Computer System. I'm Farah Hanis binti Azaman and my metric number 25DDT21F1023.
Hi madam, my name is Siti Rabi'ah binti Abdul Jabbar. My registration number is 25DDT21F1025. Question 1. You and your team have been given a task to upgrade one of the computer laboratories in Polytechnic Mersing Johor. In order to accomplish the task, your team will need to prepare and submit a soft copy proposal and video presentation. The rule states that your team must show a demonstration based on requirements as follows. First, monitors. Second, PC. Third, keyboard. Fourth, mouse. 5, AVR. Your team must choose one type or model for every list requirement. After choosing the component, your team have to explain the component completely. Take into account that your team is upgraded for 41 individual workstations, including one for lecture. Due to some reason, this lab cannot be connected using physical connection. Therefore, your team had been requested to provide solution for providing Bluetooth and wireless fidelity, which is Wi-Fi. Furthermore, this is the additional data that your team have to explain.
Introduction. Our team decided to upgrade computer laboratories in Polytechnic Mersing Johor. We decided to build a multimedia laboratory at Polytechnic Mersing so that students of Club Multimedia can use to do some project. The main objective in updating the computer is the computer using wireless component, which is keyboard and mouse, for photo and video editing use, to able to support all applications for download in the computer. For example, software like Adobe, to produce high quality photo and video. Lastly, to provide facility to lecturer in teaching students comfortably.
This is the current device or hardware EOS process. First, collecting. Collecting electronic products through recycling bins, collection locations, take-back programs, or on-demand collection service. Second, manual sorting, dismantling, shredding. E-waste then goes through the initial stage of manual sorting, where various items such as batteries and bulb are removing from their own process. Third, mechanical separation. The mechanical separation of the different materials actually consists of several processes, one after the other. The two key steps are magnetic separation and water separation. Fourth, recovery. The materials now separated are prepared for sale and reuse.
Solution for wireless connection. An access point is a device that creates a wireless local area network or WLAN, usually in an office or large building. Azure AX20, brand from TP-Link. The maximum of Wi-Fi speed is 5 GHz, which is 1201 Mbps, and the minimum of Wi-Fi speed is 2.4 GHz, 574 Mbps. The power is 12 volts, which is 1.5 ampere. Working mode is access point mode, and the price is RM299. In the multimedia laboratory, we install 3 access points so that all students can access the PC with high speed Wi-Fi until 5 GHz. The access point can connect with PC easily because PC have a wireless Wi-Fi, so the PC can connect directly without cable. For keyboard and mouse also support the USB wireless and can connect with the PC. Other than that, the user can enable the Bluetooth or cable to convey data between electrical devices across in the short distance. There are devices that we choose. So first, Dell Inspiron 27700 monitor and PC. This is all in one. Second, Dell Pro Wireless Keyboard and Mouse KM5221W. Keyboard and mouse include Bright Power SR800 AVR. The characteristic for monitor and PC, Dell Inspiron 27700. For monitor, display type touch or non-touch. The resolution is 1920 x 1080. The size of screen is 27 inch. For the PC, Processor is Intel Core i7. Video card is 2GB GDDR5. The operating system is Windows 11 Home. The SSD is 512GB and the RAM is 16GB. And the hard drive is 1TB. The color that we can choose is silver and black. There are speaker mesh in touch LCD. So for your information, monitor and PC. PC built-in the monitor, so that which is all-in-one. Dell Inspire 27000. This is the all-in-one. The price is Rm 5,799 ringgit. The reason why we choose is the size of screen is quite big and make easy to edit video and photo. The resolution make the quality of the project is high. Editing video and photo should have the bigger storage, so that we choose SSD is 512GB. Windows 11 can provide to install all applications and can complete the requirement, especially when you install the software like Adobe.
The model that we choose for keyboard and mouse is Dell Pro Wireless Keyboard and Mouse KM5221W. The characteristic is wireless receiver. It uses USB wireless receiver. The color we choose is black. The battery's keyboard is 2 times AAA. The battery's mouse is 1 times AA. And the interface is 2.4 GHz. The price is 153 ringgit. The reason we choose this model because keyboard and mouse is not the physical connection, so that don't have any problem with the PC to connect. It makes easier to make movements because it is USB wireless. Next, for the AVR, we choose Rightpower SRS 800. The capacity is 800 VA. It uses LED indicator. The frequency is 50 Hz. It has excellent output voltage stability. It has lightning spike and surge protection. It provides over temperature and overload protection. It has 3 British output socket and safety windows. And then it has optional USB charge port and RJ11 protection. The price is 19.5 ringgit. The reason we choose this model because this model of AVR have voltage stability and provide over temperature and overload protection, so it can control the voltage from overload users.
Device or hardware lifecycle. For monitor and PC, this is all-in-one, Dell Inspire 27000. The warranty is giving 1 year. Lifecycle for monitor and PC basically 5 until 6 years based on the component and system computer. You can buy in official website Dell Malaysia. Keyboard and mouse, Dell Pro Wireless Keyboard and Mouse KM5221W. So for more information, keyboard and mouse is combo set. The warranty is given 3 years. The battery of keyboard 276 hours with battery 2 AAA. You can buy also in official website Dell Malaysia. So the given is 3 years. The warranty is 3 years. So that if anything wrong with keyboard and mouse not function, you can refer to website Dell Malaysia. So lastly, AVR Rightpower SR 800 VA.
So the conclusion is, upgrade the new device is the most important to upgrade current technological developments. It is because to provide convenience to other people to use it. At the same time, we must responsibility to manage e-waste process from hazardous. Other than that, upgrade the system also the most important to complete the requirement to install or update the latest software. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.